Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take snapshots or freeze frames using VLC Media Player. So I've got a video here that I've been playing, and let's say I want to take a specific frame. That way I can use it as a thumbnail or whatever I might need it for. So once you've scrubbed over to your preferred point in the video, go ahead to your keyboard, hold shift and then press S. There we go. We can see it popped up. So the snapshot preview is shown in top left along with the picture path. It's by default saved in your pictures folder. So I'll go ahead and navigate over to it right now. So just open your Windows Explorer, click on pictures, and you should see your snapshot. So that's it. It's really quick, really easy. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful. And thank you for watching.